BMF.
That's my imitation of a talking drum. Nate Shaw here with the Brooklyn Music Factory, here to share another one of our 7 core values that we try to teach and live by every single day we're here at BMF. Today's core value is communicate consistently to build trust. I'm going to say that again because it's a big one. Communicate consistently to build trust. And that value grew out of this concept that we've been working on since day one of opening nearly 10 years ago here at BMF. And that is this notion of a triangle of trust. The 3 points of the triangle are the student at the top, the teacher, and the parent. That's the triangle of trust. So what we've seen over the years here in bands, in private lessons, is that if you get that triangle correct, if the parent is talking to the student, their child, if the parent is talking to the teacher, if the teacher is talking to the parent, teacher is talking to the child, it really can be the defining factor of whether or not they have a joyful, lifelong learning experience playing music, or they quit after a year or two, okay? So, communicate consistently to build trust. Now, how do we do that at BMF? We try all kinds of different ways. And I'm going to be honest, this isn't easy. A lot of families come to us and say, man, we get too many emails. We don't know what to read. We're not always clear on that. So that's something we're always working on. But what I never, ever want us to be accused of is keeping you in the dark, right? We always want you to be overly informed. I'd much rather have you get too much information than not enough information. So how do we communicate consistently to build trust? Well, our private lesson teachers send a home rock home, both in a printed form in their home rock binder with the student, and also in email. So that home rock goes home every single time that your child comes in for a private lesson. On the band side, we send home a band report. So every week, when your child comes in for a band class, whether it's Jam Band 101, Mini Keys, Rock, Write, and Record, it doesn't matter what they come in for, you should get a band report in your email box after that class. And that band report, just like the home rock, shares with you specifically the BLAM. That's the big lesson about music. What was the lesson? What was the point of the class this week? In addition, it shares super fun things like new lyrics that they wrote, or video clips of the band practicing, that kind of thing. So, home rock, band report, you got to be getting those every single week. If for any reason you're not getting them, or you're not on the list to get them, or whatever, reach out to the teacher today. Say, hey, I want to know what's happening in the band class. I want to know what's happening in private lessons. Get me that home rock. How else do we communicate? We send you guys a monthly beat. That monthly beat is all about staying connected to the community. It's everything from the next Friday Night Lights concert that we're going to be doing to videos like this one, so you can get more in touch with exactly why you picked BMF over another program, what our values and our purpose are. It also sends messages to you from the different department directors. So the monthly beat is always worth opening up. So in the community room, you'll always see our teachers out talking to parents, talking to students. Jessica or Will or Davis, all these different people are at the front desk. You can go talk to them. So the community room is huge. Communicate consistently to build trust. That's what BMF strives to do, and that's another one of our core values that we try to live and teach by every single week.